Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for MSTR price prediction MicroStrategy. We're gonna see of course the all-time history, and we're gonna move to the micro level next. We have a 1 2 1 2, and then of course another 1 2 3 4 and a 5 still unfolding. This wave 3 internally is a 1 2 3, currently at a wave 4, and we're looking for wave 5 to continue toward the upside to reach of course the 1196 1974. Currently, this 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 is an impulse, and this wave 4 might have started, of course, to unfold the next wave, which is a wave 5. We're gonna dive inside it on the 2 hours chart here. Of course, after this massive impulse 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, I doubt that, of course, a wave 5 might be unfolding there. So the wave 5 might be finished already, of course, there internally, and we're looking here for something ranging towards higher prices. The probability is, of course, related as well to Bitcoin, almost the same chart. We have a 1, 2, and a potentially another 1, 2 here unfolding. However, this second 1, 2 on MSTR is a little bit hard to detect. And that means, of course, it is very likely here after this 3 waves toward the upside that you might get here a potential zigzag. That means, of course, it's a larger structure here as kind of like a WXNY, or I would say running flat, finishing with 5 waves down, failing to take the low, and starting something bullish again, that it can be a 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 leading diagonal, ABC without taking the low, and starting to seek, of course, after a signal of strength here. In case this is a possibility, therefore, of course, I'm expecting here something to push continuously toward the upside. I don't see even a diagonal anymore. This one is done because, of course, by breaking this low, and that means, of course, wave 4 is longer than wave 2. It's not allowed, of course. Therefore, the things are shifting in something else. Otherwise, we are very bearish here. We have finished an AB and a C here, or WX and Y. Let's say the wave C finished over there. And then you are looking here, of course, for a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So A, I would say even the wave B is over there as a running flat, explained already. 3 waves down, 3 waves up, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, failing to take the low. And that means, of course, you finished a wave C here. And then we push in a 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Now, key levels, guys. Key levels are, of course, very clear. If we take this low, that means confirmation for lower, meaning bearish, of course, because you invalidate anything here for bullish in case it is unfolding. While if we continue toward the upside, that would be, of course, great. So you don't want to see, of course, the price coming back to 131 here. If the price keeps ranging above it, then okay, we might be very bullish here. On the 15-minute chart, we see, of course, a pump here yesterday for the news, but of course, nothing has been yet finished as an impulse. No 5 waves, of course, confirmed. That means, of course, the bearish scenario can still be existing there, and it can unfold something for lower one more time again. However, this is looking kind of like 5 waves, but the range here is also a question mark. I believe an ABC might be unfolding here as an expanding flat and then pushing higher, of course, for a wave 5. Therefore, I'm still expecting a 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 here. In case it doesn't happen, that means, of course, already a signal for bearish, guys. Yep, so that was it for MSTR. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments. See you in the next one. Bye-bye. Before you leave, make sure to join our private Discord community. There you will get daily updates faster than YouTube, plus exclusive bonus trading signals for the gold, silver, Bitcoin, and stocks. You can also request one special technical analysis every day and get access even to our only members video on YouTube and also on Discord. And stay ahead, of course, with economic and political news that actually moves the market. And of course, we do regular Q&A sessions, so you can get your questions answered directly in the Discord. And of course, if you're serious about leveling your trading, the Discord link is below in the description and in the comments. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments, and see you in the next one. Bye-bye.